morning from Grant Family Farm. It's another cold one, but it's pretty out here. A little piglet running around out there. Well, hopefully the guy's going to come over here and help us castrate them today. Little piglets. Yeah, got a couple piglets came out to play. You might see why is Mama outside the house? Yeah, their exercise program. The boar moves over and Mama has to get on the other side. I always make two piles. That was sure nice of Harold for sharing. I'm not sure which little piglet this is. It's going to be smaller than the rest. Maybe it's the female. Yeah, two of these little pigs need a new home. So, anybody looking for pigs? Come talk to us. We'll make you a deal. Well, protection keeps going up and down. Come on, girls. You can do a better job than this. Look at where's the rest of the food? Come on. Get some more grain. Yeah, if the guy shows up, castrate, and we get the mother away from the babies. Here's Doc trying to show us where this tool works. Except for the T-posts are backwards, he says. Just gotta go taller up. Alright, well that's one way to knock yourself out. There's another way to do it too. I will show you. There it is. Well, this is out. And that's a way of doing it. Like I said, I like the tractor and the chain the best. This pig going, what are we doing here? You gonna let me out? Now we're pulling a quad. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay, you gotta get out of my lane. Yeah. That was my last check on the animals today. And give me another egg. Harold's in there sharing his food with the little piglets, which is good. Mama's in here, babies. The other two. It is awful cold out here. Okay, the big hog's got a treat too. Some canned goods. Well, that's probably it for today. It's getting pretty cold out here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening.